Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Triumph Street Triple R, 675 cc's of 3-cylinder power, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This has got ABS brakes, really cool matte black and red finish, only 14,000 miles, just serviced. Wait till you hear that works exhaust system, fender eliminator kit, bar end mirrors. Come on by and make your Street Fighter dreams come true with this awesome Street Triple R for only $64.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.